Let's draw my sister and surprise her. At the end of the video, I will send her the drawing and I will show you her reaction. So let's start it. Hello everyone, today I want to draw from a reference photo. First of all, I have to sketch and try to make it similar to my reference as much as I can. As you know, my reference is my sister. Usually I don't draw my families and I use Pinterest photos as reference, but this time I decide to draw my sister and this would be a surprise for her. Hope she'll like it. I use different techniques for my painting process, and this time I decided to shading with black and white colors at the beginning. This helps me to figure out the shape of shadows and lighting. When I'm finished the shading, I put it into a multiply layer and I'm going to put flat colors under the multiply layer. This might be a little confusing and I'm going to explain it for you step by step on my next videos. This is just my first video on YouTube and I'll try to make better videos in future to share my process and hope it helps you. Actually, I don't have any plan for my YouTube channel. I just love drawing and I like YouTube too, so I decided to share my drawing on YouTube so I can explain my process and sharing my experience in drawing. Before this, I was sharing my art on Instagram and it wasn't really work for me because of algorithm, I think, and now I don't post on my Instagram anymore and it's kind of dead, I think. I love all pieces that I create there, so I'm not going to remove my account and I'm not going to post anything there. Now my focus is on my YouTube channel to see what is different between Instagram and YouTube. I think it's good to have both of them at the same time for artists, but for me I'm just focusing on YouTube now. For now, my goal is posting 2 videos a week on my YouTube and I'm so excited. I know it could make me tired a little bit, but I'm really serious about it. Drawing and talking about it is my favorite. I don't know what kind of content I should have, but I know if I start, I will figure it out later. So yes, here's my first video. Here I use different techniques for coloring. I add multiply layers and overlay layers and I will explain it in future. This is just my first video. I promise that I'm going to make it much better in future. In this video I tried to make everything smooth with sharp lighting. When I finished this drawing, I learned a lot about putting lights and I will share it on my next videos. As I told, I have lots of things to talk about in this channel. I don't know from where I should start. I can talk about sketching, coloring, which I learned from other big artists, of course, and from my own experience, and I will share all of them with you. I remember when I was starting digital painting, I was looking for some tutorial in YouTube and there was just some few videos and I watched them several times, but now there is a lot of videos that we can learn about it and practicing with it. Practicing is really important. I think watching just tutorial videos can't help us unless we start to practicing them. Draw as much as you can, find your weakness and try to fix it by watching tutorial videos and practice every day. Maybe it's hard to draw every day, but if you continue it becomes a routine in your life and you can see how helpful is it for you. For me, drawing every day makes my art much better, and now if I can't paint one day, it's like I've lost something and I really need to draw every day. By the way, drawing is like meditation to me. So I just take it easy, I don't push myself too hard, and I try to relax while I am drawing. Enjoy your drawing and try to learn from it. I myself learn a lot from all my drawings and I try to use them on my next drawing. My goal is to sharing all I learned from these years of my drawings. I find lots of helpful techniques from other artists that I'm going to share them with you on this channel. So please subscribe and support me if you want. In addition to sharing my drawings, I am also improving myself and we can practice more and grow with each other. Our drawing is almost done. Here I sent it to my sister and I'm waiting for her reaction. Right now I think she's at a library and she's studying too hard because she's a student and I just want to make her happy. So let's see what her reaction is. Here she replied to me and she loves it. Here she speaks in Persian and she says thank you sister, and she didn't expect that, with lots of emojis, and as you see she put it as her profile. I think she really likes it. I like this drawing too. Here you can see the final result. Please like and subscribe my channel if you like it too. Thanks a lot for your watching and I see you on my next video. Bye.